Jige hini karagiwi hochang rajra maru karizanga hingaire egi mai khate rajra Angelica Green Deerga hingaire. Well, good to see you guys. Jige, this week we're going to be going over activities. So let's get started here. Okay, activities and sports with me, Maru Karizang. Learning objectives, learners will recognize the terms for commonly played sports and activities. Learners will be able to tell what activities they like and dislike. Learners will be able to ask others what activities they like and dislike, and learners will be able to tell about other activities people like and dislike. Okay, let's go over the activities here. We have hogisik, which is fishing. Cha na ki kara. Cha na ki kara. Missing the cha right here, but it'd be hunting, right? Hunting cha. Next one is wa ri ri gi sharach. Wa ri ri gi sharach. Golfing. I've also heard it as wa ri ri ru he, which would be chasing the ball. Next one is chab nai kisik. Chab nai kisik, which is lacrosse. Then we have wa ri ri nach juk, which would be football. Hiragnina, the last one, is wa ri ri pa ho kirinak, basketball. Wa ri ri pa ho kirinak, basketball. All right, the verb for this week is GIPI, to like. I like something, I would say hi pi, I like. You like, do you like? I would say rai pi. And he, she, or it is GIPI. All right, to not like something. All we're going to do is add the K in front of the verb, and we're going to end it with a ni. I don't like would be K hi pini. K hi pini. You don't like would be K rai pini. K rai pini. And I'm asking these as a question, but you can just say you don't like it. Je K rai pini. You don't like that. Okay. Kegipini. He or she or it doesn't like it. Okay. Kegipini. Pretty simple. Okay, so let's go over some sentences using hi P and K hi P and E. On the left hand, these will be I like, and on the right hand, it will say I don't like. So how would we say I like hunting? Remember, the verb goes last. So what are we missing in front of na ki kara? Cha, right? So it's cha na ki kara hai pi. Cha na ki kara ra hai pi. Now, if you notice, I'm putting the ra, an extra ra, at the end of cha na ki kara, ra, hai pi. That ra is kind of making it a subject, okay? So it's the subject of hunting, okay? Everything that has to do with hunting, that's what it is. I love it, I like hunting, okay? So for fishing, I don't like fishing. How would we say that? Fishing would come first, and then the verb goes last. So it would be hogi sik ra ke hai pini, right? Hogi sigra ke hai pini. Remember, you're going to add the ra at the end of this. It's like the act of fishing, everything about fishing. That's the subject. So that's why you're adding the ra at the end of this activity. And for the rest of the activities, the same thing, okay? You're going to put the ra at the end of all these. And then you're going to put the verb at the end. Hopefully that didn't confuse you. How do we say for raipi? Now let's go with you like. Raipi, you like. Ke raipini, you don't like. Left hand is, do you like golf? How would we say this? Do you like golf? Wa ri ri gi sharajara raipi. Wa ri ri gi sharajara raipi. Do you like golf? Okay, remember, put that off behind there. Next one is, you don't like to play basketball. This one's a little bit tricky, okay? Instead of putting the ra behind the action, or like the activity, sorry, you're gonna put the ra after play. Do you guys remember what play is in Ho-Chunk? Scotch, okay? So we're gonna say basketball would be our first sentence. We're gonna say basketball, play, ra, and then Kegipini, and you're asking the question. All right. So the answer is Wa pa ho kiri nak shkajira Kegipini. You don't like to play basketball. Now those are two verbs. You're going to put play, put the ra behind it, and then you're asking Kegipini. Okay. Any other questions on this, let me know. But for now, just keep it very simple. Okay. Lastly, we have GIPI. He, she, or it likes. Kegipini doesn't like. He, she, or it does not like. So if I want to say Haga likes basketball, I would say what? What would come first here? Haga, right? Haga ga. Wagi nach jak ra gipi. Haga ga. Wagi nach jagra gipi. Haga likes football. But if I want to say Hina doesn't like to play lacrosse, we would say Hina ga chabnai kisik shkajra Kegipini. Hina ga chabnai kisik shkajra Kegipini. Okay, now let's practice. GP, to, like. So all of these sentences is I like, you like, he, she, or it likes. Go ahead, grab a paper and pen, write these sentences down, and when you're ready, play the video and I'll tell you the answers. All right, so I like golf is Wa-ri-ri-gi-shara-jira hai-pi. Okay, do you like to play basketball? Wa-ri-ri-pa-ho-kiri-nak-shkajra rai-pi. Do you like to play basketball? Haga likes to fish. Haga-ga hogi-sigara gi-pi. Hina no. Now let's talk about to not like. All of these are going to be to not like. I don't like, you don't like, he, she, or it doesn't like. So go ahead, write these sentences down, and when you're ready, I'll pause the video. When you're ready, start it, and I'll go over the answers. Okay, I don't like golf. How would we say that in Ho Chunk? We would say, Wa ri ri gi sharajira ke haipini. I don't like golf. You don't like to play basketball? I would say, Wa ri ri pa ho kiri nak shkajira ke haipini. Okay. Hiragnina, the last one, Haga doesn't like to fish. We would say, Hagaga hogi sigra Kegipini. Hagaga hogi sigra Kegipini. Alrighty. Lastly, we have some phrases for you guys. If you want to say, I know, you would say, ya patas, or some people would say, caterpillar knees. Okay, so for I don't know, it would be, Kea patas knee. Maybe that one's the caterpillar knees. Kea patas knee. Anyway, so I know is ya patas. When you put the K in front of the verb and then at the end is knee, it makes it the opposite. So ya patas, I know. Kea patas knee, I don't know. Okay, I think that's the caterpillar knees one. Anyway, remember, hi P, I like. K hi Pini, I don't like. Then if somebody asks you, how to chabata jaske, how does it taste? You would say as or asji, that tastes really good. Now for I don't, it doesn't taste good, which you literally wouldn't say to anybody because all food tastes good, right? But just for an example, it doesn't taste good would be ke asni. Okay, so as is taste good, ke asni doesn't taste good. All right, guys, well, that's it for this week. If you guys want to go ahead, pause the video and screenshot this. This is what we'll be going over this week. Other than that, it was good to have you guys here and hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you guys have any questions, please let me know. Other than that, Jego Kira Wani Ginapui. Ani Chak Jawi.